Okay, we have a Doosan horizontal machining center, model HP6300, serial number HP6300 107. Machine was new in 2008. We're going to run her for you. Machine has a full 4-axis capability, Fanuc 18IMB control. You have a 50 taper spindle, cat. You have a nice 60 ATC automatic tool changer. Right now he's running the spindle. Running at 1500 RPM. Your pallet size is 24.8 by 24.8 or 630 millimeter. Your 5,000 RPM. Machine is nice and quiet. Machine goes up to 10,000 RPM. At 6,500 RPM. Machine also has through spindle coolant capability. You have 2 pallets. We're going to do a tool change. We're going to right here. There you go. We'll do another. Okay. Machine also has Renishaw part probe and tool setter. Moving the axes. You have 33.46 in Y, 33.46 in Z, and 39.37 in X. All the axes are quiet. It's your X. Telescopic weight covers. We're going to do the B axis, which is 360,000 degree, full B. And we're going to do a pallet change. Round and round she goes. Okay. Let's do another one. Machine also has a LNS chip conveyor. We have extra pallets and we have 50 taper tooling that goes with the machine. Great. Thank you for watching our video.